When you think of a school, it is easy to think of a building with long corridors with lots of classrooms, aisles of books, tests and exams, and a place where you're going to carve out your future. But when you get to Midstream College, you realize it is so much more than that. It is a place where you build relationships, a place where you belong, a place where we learn from each other and grow together. Sometimes, it's not about knowing where you are headed, but Midstream College can help you find your way.
Ja, daar is toetse, daar is boeke, daar is klaskamers. Maar by Midstream College is daar soveel meer. Midstream College kan nie so maklik in woorde verduidelik word nie. Dit is iets wat moet beleef word. Dit is 'n skool waar elkeen gelukkig kan wees en waar elkeen kan behoort. Midstream verseker 'n gelukkige skoolloopbaan waarop eendag met mooi herinneringe teruggekyk kan word. Dit is 'n plek waar elkeen hom of haarself kan wees. Dit is lag, dit is verhoudings, dit is goeie geselskap. Dit is 'n plek waar elkeen uitgedaag word om die beste in hom of haarself te ontdek. Dit is harde werk, maar hoop 'n pret. Ons gaan skool toe vir 'n opvoeding, maar ons gaan eendag weg met 'n ryke ervaring. Kom en beleef Midstream College.
Midstream College is proud of our highly skilled educators and the results that our learners produce. We have a learner-centered approach, and our IEB curriculum ensures that our learners excel after school in their chosen career paths, as is evident in our excellent matric results and successful careers of our past learners. Our 20 different departments aim to equip our learners with the best knowledge, critical thinking, and skills in an interactive and engaging way. Our modern approach incorporates e-learning to ensure we stay relevant in today's times.
Midstream College bied 'n wye verskeidenheid sportdissiplines aan waarvan leerders kan kies en keur. Ons topafrigters, ons eie biokinetikus en wêreldklas fasiliteite verseker dat die leerders die beste afrigting ontvang. En sodoende kan ons gedrewe jong sportmanne en vroue hulle volle potensiaal bereik.
The Culture Fraternity is a busy and lively one at Midstream College. The college boasts a large selection of culture activities which ensures opportunities for all our learners. The Midstage, College Hub, music rooms, auditorium and hall all allow for each activity to enjoy the best facilities that Midstream College offers.
Midstream College spog met wêreldklas fasiliteite. Ons terreinbestuurder en werkers verseker agter die skerms dat die skool in uitstekende toestand bly en maak dit 'n plesier vir elke leerder, onderwyser en besoeker om die gronde te besoek. Ons eie Astro hokkiebaan, binneshuise swembad, gimnasium, sportvelde, saal, auditorium, klankstelsels, biblioteek met meer as 23,000 boeke, pragtige tuine en soveel meer is ons trots. Grys water word gebruik om tuine mee nat te lei en ook gebruik vir die Astrobaan sodat ons so omgewingsvriendelik as moontlik kan wees. In vandag se lastige tye met beurtkrag, verseker ons kragopwekker dat akademie en buitemuurse aktiwiteite onverpoost kan voortgaan.
It is important that our learners want to be at school. School life is a busy one. Our learner-led council hosts various social, sporting and academic activities which aim to allow our learners to let their hair down and enjoy what's on offer. We hold our values dear, being respect, integrity, communio, loyalty and excellencia. Our Active Adventure Club hosts various tours throughout the year for those keen on a more adventurous approach. Each year an overseas tour is offered together with the annual Belgian Exchange Tour.
Kom en ontdek, kom en leer, kom en behoort, kom en beleef Midstream College.